Hey ladies, guess what? I have a mini twist updo style that you could do in less than 5 minutes. But first, let's start from the beginning. What's going on, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Yanni Michelle, and I am here to show you how to do this mini twist updo style in less than 5 minutes. So what I am doing, I'm parting my hair in the front, separating it just a little bit in the front, and then you just twist that off because you're going to be using this towards the end of the hairstyle. So twist, 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 and dance, dance, dance. We got to have fun with it. So now what you want to do is work on the back, and we're going to be styling that. So we're going to be crisscrossing the back from top to bottom. So you want to pull one side over, cross that, gather some more hair, and cross that over the other section. And then you keep going until you get all the way down to make a braid. So now I'm bringing the braid around to the front. My arms are a little short, so it's a little challenging for me to keep going. So bring the braid around to the front, and as you see, I'm still having fun with it. So braid, braid, braid to the end. And then what I do is I pull that braid and then I just tuck it under the bun. Because this is, braiding hair, I didn't need a bobby pin. I just tuck, tuck, tuck. Until I felt it was secure. So now this front piece that we twisted at the beginning, we're now gonna take that, pull it around toward the back, and just tuck in that tail to a section of the back or the side, and voila, you have yourself an updo. Ooh, I gotta get that little straggler in the back. Okay, now, voila, I'm back. Yes, yes, yes. And I just love that. I've gotten so many compliments with this hairstyle. People think it's just really classy and sassy and cute. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share.